Hey everyone, welcome back to Crafty Planner Lover. My name is Megan and today we are going to be planning in my Erin Condren social media dashboard planner for the week of February 16th through the 22nd using the Cozy Sips kit by BlessUrHeartStickers. I have used the Cozy Sips collection before in my planners. I actually used it in my Hobonichi weeks a few weeks ago, and this is what the collection looks like in my Hobonichi weeks planner. I love this collection and I think it is so cute, and I talked about it in that video as well, but this is kind of like a Christmassy kit. If you can't tell, there's like a little Christmas tree there, a little Christmas tree there, but I thought this was really good for winter because it is cold in Florida. And yeah, I thought it would be really cute to use. So this is what you get with the collection. You get the full boxes, you get the washi strips and the date covers, half and quarter boxes, more boxes and some headers. Then you have the functional items and you have the other functional items. So this is a mini kit, which I love her mini kits because they are perfect for using like just a little bit of items without like making having too much left over. However, her full kits are amazing and I highly recommend you guys check them out. This is actually my freebie for I think until March, if I remember correctly, because I wanted to have something that would represent the winter time, and I love this so much. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I guess we will begin with our washi like we usually do. Now this is thick washi, so I'm actually going to cut it in half right at this brown strip and do some at the top over here and some along at the bottom down here, because I think that would be really cute. How has your February been so far? Have you guys been doing anything exciting? Or have you just been kind of like relaxing? Because I totally get that. I have been kind of doing both. I've been doing some things and I've been relaxing. We did get a 3-day weekend for work, and I took Thursday off of last week, the 12th I think was what it was. Yes, the 12th. And I literally spent all day in my Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal, which if you are, you know, following that, you know, what is it called, trend, I was gonna say group. If you're following that trend, it's really popular right now, and we are actually doing quite a few. When I say we, I mean me and the Sarah Lynn Art team. We are doing one, and the managers are also doing one. So you will see them, I believe. I'm showing my process video on the Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal very soon. And you will also see my process of, you should have already seen it, of my own journal that I did for my separate Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal. So hopefully you guys liked that. I had a lot of fun creating things and doing the spreads. That was something that I really enjoyed. So I hope you guys liked seeing how I did the process. I'm going to wipe this out. But yeah, let's talk about BlessUrHeartStickers real quick, because I feel like I don't often talk a lot about BlessUrHeartStickers, and I feel like that's like not good because I love her. Love her shop. She's great. She's an amazing person, and I just love Misty. She is actually here on YouTube as well, so if you guys are wanting to see how she decorates and kind of her process of decoration, you can definitely check out her video. Or her channel. I will leave her channel linked in the description box so you can see all the things that she has been up to. Let's do I'm going to do another one. I'm trying to cover up this little spot here. And I think I'm going to use this box to do that. Just to cover up that little Christmas tree there. Nothing wrong with a good Christmas tree. However, we don't want it in the spread because it's not Christmas anymore, unfortunately. I do love Christmas. Let's put this box right here. Oh, I forgot I have the other washi. Do I? Maybe I don't. I don't remember. No, I used it already. Anyway, I was going to say I have the other washi, but I don't. Not anymore. I used it. Stick you there. I am going to add the headers, and I'm thinking I'm going to use these polka dotted ones because those are cute. I'm going to use these as like little washi strips, I think. I think that would be really fun. Come on, there we go. And let's do a rip there. And then we'll do another polka dotted one right here. This fits the 7x9 kit like perfectly, so I really like that. Kit planner, you know what I meant. It fits the 7x9 planner perfectly. My brain. Okay, then we're going to use these last two for right here. Just going to do a tiny little rippy rip. Right there. That's perfect. Okay, I made my mistake last time by adding the days of the week down before I could add the boxes. We're not going to do that this time. We're going to do the boxes first. So, let's do a couple of these. Okay. Oh, the 17th is Mardi Gras? What? That's awesome. I thought it was in March. I could be very wrong. I could have read that incorrectly, but it said Mardi Gras. I'm trying to cover up the holidays because I don't use the holidays in this planner, really. I use it more for decoration purposes. Let's do a tan box there. And let's do the green one right here. Beautiful. I do want to add some of these doohickeys too, though. So maybe what we'll do is we'll add this one, right? Because she is sitting in the corner drinking her coffee and looking outside because it's cold. And then we're going to do the same thing over here with this one. Beautimous, okay? That way we still have some room, right? We still have some room for a box. And then this girl, we're going to stick right here because this is not going to, actually, no, we're going to put it here. I'm going to stick her there. And then this one, I think what we will do, okay, is she's going to go down here. Actually, hold up. No, she's going to go down here. A little tiny pine tree is not a big deal. Because that's fine. We're going to leave that there. Yes. Okay, cool. So I used up all of that deco. Perfect. That's what I want to see. I want to see me using up all of the deco. And we're going to put another box right here. Oh, I need to make sure I have room for the title. That would be helpful, Megan. Gotta have the, you know, the day of the week on there. Silly goose. Okay. And then I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this green guy and he's going to go right here. We're just going to have some tinier boxes because that sounds fun. And I want to do that, so that's what we're going to do. And I think I'm just going to put one here. And then one, well, maybe not this one. Maybe we'll do this one, right? Put that one there. Okay, and then let's do the red. Put that guy there. And then we'll do a blue one right there. Let's see, Saturday is not blue. Well, no, that's fine. We're good. It's not blue. Okay, then we need one here, so let's do the, like, whatever this color is. Burgundy. Okay, there we go. Oh, we need something here. No, we don't. We're not going to do that. I've decided. I have spoken. It has been officially decreed. Yeah, we're going to put this here like that and just write out the rest of President's Day there. I know it's President's Day. I don't need to worry about that. Oh, dang. Megan, you done forgot about Wednesday here. Okay, hold on. Alright, so Wednesday, go there. Okay. Then you're going to go like this. Oops, no you're not. You're going to go down here. How about that? How about them apples? You're going to go there. Oops. It was crooked. Ha! I win. I do need to move these down because I didn't realize how big the titles were. But that's okay because we can just move it down just a hair and it'll be fine. Friday. And Saturday. Oh dang, we'll have to move that down too. And Sunday. Look at that. That's perfect. Okay, now I want to do, oh, the weekend banner. Should we use it? I mean, we're going to, so I don't know why I was asking. Okay, let go, let go, let go. Thank you. Weekend. Okay, I like that, except we gotta move Saturday down a little bit. There we go. That's much better. I like that better. See, now we have the weekend banner. Everything's cute. Love this. Okay, this side we've got to fix. We've got to do something. I do have these two habit trackers. Unfortunately, I would need 3. So, I guess I'm going to have to see if I have one. Okay, good news and bad news. Good news is, or bad news is, I don't have another one of these. Good news is, I did find 3 that will probably fit this collection just the same. So, now that we have that figured out, I'm going to probably make a box. Alright, I have decided that I was making a box. So, I've got first one. Let's put that one, like, I kind of want to add, here's what we're going to do. Okay. We're going to do a little bit of some switching. Okay, so what we're going to do, I think, is we're going to try and make this to where it's like a scene, layering scene, you know? I like that. Let me get my white out. White out the edges here. Alright, and then the other box, I lost it. Where'd it go? I found it. This box is gonna go there, maybe? Maybe I can do both of them. Hold on. Maybe I can situate this to where we can get both, and then this can go, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Do it like that. Okay, and then let's white this out. Okay, so now we have that, and now I'm gonna put these guys on here. Do here and one here and one here. Oops, that's a little too off center there. Let's do that one like that. There we go. That's not terrible. It's not great, but it's not terrible. I'm happy with it. And if I'm happy with it, then it's fine. Let's do the, what are these called? Bullets, and then we will be done. So I want this to be a list of filming and editing. Okay, well, hold on. And then let's do the title. Polka dots? Yes. Let's put that like this. And then, there we go. Just had to make sure it didn't overlap anything. I'm thinking of just adding another box here. Actually, we'll do this. We'll do this one. And switch these actually. So we'll do this one here. And this one here. That's crooked. And then I think we'll do probably the red ones for right here for our filming and editing list. I guess we'll put it here. You know what? No, we're going to put it right here because this is where I wanted it to go in the first place. And then the other box is going to be the other... Nope, it's not. It's not going to be the polka dots. Well, we'll do this one then. A little bit different, but the same. So we'll do that. And then last thing is going to be to add... Oh, not this one. Just some color right here. And one right here. Honestly, I probably should add another one. But I'm not going to. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my Erin Condren social media planner using the Cozy Sips collection from BlessUrHeartStickers. Once again, if you use my PR code Megan15, it will save you 15% off of your order. You will receive this freebie. It is adorable and I love it. So definitely check out her shop. She's got a lot of new releases and a lot of really exciting things happening, so definitely check out her shop. If you want to see more of my content, then definitely check out my Erin Condren social media planner playlist or any of my other playlists. They are linked in various categories in the description box, and my Erin Condren playlist will be linked at the end of this video. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!